In today's video, we are gonna paint boho style painting with watercolor medium. I hope you enjoyed today's video, so please make sure you watch the video till the very end. Let's get started.
Like a Hellcat.
So the material required are as follows. Today's fun section. If we combine the electric energy of all cells on all over the globe, it will give the world the electric power for at least 10 minutes. Interesting, isn't it? So before starting the painting, it's necessary to tape down the sides to get the crisp edges for the painting. Then with the help of any pencil, sketch the window kind of shape here at the middle of the paper. Then with the shades of browns, peaches and flesh tint, paint this kind of designs. We are painting these designs for the walls of the picture. Then with the help of a little bit darker shade of the brown, paint the border of the window. Then with the help of burnt sienna color, outline the window. Then with the help of orange, paint the sun inside the window. And with the help of brown colors, you layer the scenery inside the window. Basically, it's not inside, I guess, it's outside the window. Sorry, grammar mistakes, never mind. So keep on layering the paint unless you get a bit darker sky. Then take white color and paint stars. Then with the help of dark green color, paint leaves in the corners. You can add a couple of leaves or a single leaf is also enough. Now I felt this painting a bit simple, so I wrote a favorite word of mine, and that is happiness. And at the corner I did my signature and tape peels. So today's shout out winner is here. Congratulations! Today's shout out question. The winner will be shout outed in my next video. So the question is, a cowboy rides into a town on Friday. He stays one night and leaves on Friday again. So, how is it possible? Do you guys know the answer? Then do let me know that in the comments so you get a shout out in my next video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to smash that like button. Share it with your family, friends, and loved ones, and subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon too to get the latest notifications whenever I upload a new video. And how do you feel the video was? Average, good, better, or worse? Let me know that in the comments. And if you enjoyed today's video, then do let me know your feelings too in that comment section below. If you have any video suggestions or any upcoming video ideas or any feedback, queries, any doubts, anything you have, then let me know that too in the comment section below, and do answer today's shout out question. Okay, so I'll see you guys super soon with more marvelous videos ahead. Peace, signing out. Bye bye.